One afternoon, I went for a walk with a friend in the suburbs. Suddenly, an old man in tattered clothes approached with a bag of green vegetables in his hand. The sales of those vegetables are very poor. The leaves are dehydrated and yellow, and there are holes in them that are bitten by insects. But my friend bought 3 bags without saying a word. The old man also embarrassedly explained, "I grew this vegetable myself. It rained a while ago, and the vegetable got soaked. It looks ugly. I'm sorry, sir." After the old man had left, I asked my friend, "Are you really going to eat these vegetables?" He said, "No. These vegetables can no longer be eaten." "Then why are you buying?" "Because it is impossible for anyone to buy those vegetables. If I don't buy it, the old man will probably have no income." I developed goosebumps. I admire my friend's good deeds, so I caught up with the old man and bought some vegetables from him. The old man said very happily, "I sold it all day, and only you are willing to buy it. Thank you so much." Several handfuls of green vegetables that I can't eat at all taught me a valuable lesson. When we are in a low ebb, we all hope that miracles will happen to us. But when we are capable, are we willing to be the one who creates miracles? Now that you have 2 choices, you can spread some positive messages and fill the world with love, or you may ignore it at all as though you have never seen it. However, your little sharing action may illuminate the destiny of countless people. People are great because of their dreams, and even more successful because of their actions. You are changed today because of your learning. Happy week ahead.